Well, hey, pre-algebra class. I just kind of want to reach out before the holidays came. I know we only have 2 days this week, and then we have Thanksgiving break. So the first thing with this video was just to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. I know some of you aren't on my learning guide check-in, so I won't be able to get to see or talk to you probably, until you come back. But I just wanted to wish you, a happy Thanksgiving, and I encourage you to enjoy yourself, have some time with your family, some downtime. But if you do get chances, it wouldn't hurt you maybe to get into Summit and do some things if you have that kind of downtime, but I don't want to take away from your family. The other part of this video is just to remind some of you that I'm noticing through the thing that some of you still have not completed your content assessments. And again, those are things that help you get through the unit, right? It's your content that you're able to use to apply in the unit. If you don't have the content, it's going to be hard for you to apply it. So make sure that you're requesting those and taking those. And again, if you have to take it more than twice, I will send you an assessment ticket that has you look at resources, and all you have to do is fill it out. It's pretty straightforward. Send it back to me, and then you guys can take it a third time, fourth time. Hopefully it does not get to the fifth time. But again, all those restless times you need to fill out that assessment ticket. And we need to get in this unit. There have been some of you starting the unit and working through it, but we don't have everyone this far. I know if you have noticed, what we have done is we have combined part A and B. So when you complete part A, you'll jump right to part B, do some cool downs there, and then there will be your end of the unit assessment and portfolio problems there. And you have until December 20th, but here's the thing. We're already in the Thanksgiving. When we come back, we have 3 weeks until that due date is done. So we can't keep falling behind. And I did want to show you something that I have done and I've shared before, but I kind of want to review with you, is that I have stuck this norms and procedures checkpoint at the beginning that does not need to be completed. But what it has is it has a cool down completion list. All right, in parts A and B. So I only give you certain ones to complete through both of those units, if you want to call them, even though they're all one big unit. I give you certain ones to complete, all right? Because the math unit is so large and a lot of the checkpoints are the same, just different wording, I shrunk it down and gave you the ones that we need to cover. Again, they still cover the standard, they still cover things that you'll find in the end of unit assessment, but again, I have kind of shrunken that up for you. So these are the only ones that you have to do in part A, and then these are the only ones you have to do in part B. So it definitely, we're going from 20 checkpoints to, 13. That's a lot of checkpoints less than what you originally had to complete. But just a reminder that if you turn them all green, even if you get a yellow here and there, you still can have a chance to do the end of the unit assessment. If you get a red, you have to go back and complete the weekly instructional lesson that's before those checkpoints, right? So if we're here and you get a red in this sign numbers, you have to go back and complete week 7 instructional lesson here and turn that green in order to come back and turn this green. So that's the only way that you have to do these weekly instructional lessons. But again, there's supports for you. So you always can get in there and watch the videos, because every video is helping you achieve or complete these cool downs. So I just wanted to kind of share a reminder with you guys and urge those that have not completed the content assessments to keep doing that, and then complete an assessment ticket if needed, but then get into the unit and start completing some of these cool downs so that we can continue to move forward. That due date is moving rapidly, coming closer, and I don't want it to get to the end of that and start, all of us start getting overwhelmed because we have so much to do. If you have any help, please reach out the next couple of days. So we can kind of get you geared up. And then if you have time over the break, find that time to get in there and just do some work, so that when we come back, we're not, overwhelmed with so much that we have to do. So again, guys, have a great Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you have a great time with family and friends, and we will talk to each other when we get back. Thank you.